Hi friends, again I am back with a new video. My name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am reading this book for you, and the name of the book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and it is a very beautiful book. In our last video I have read about improvement through self-analysis. Okay, so in this video I will be reading the topic justice. Okay, and you can directly connect with me on Instagram, and my Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906 ABHI MANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906, and you can also mail me at Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906 @gmail.com. And if you have any question in regards to whatever topic I'm covering, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can directly connect me on Instagram where I will give all the answers of your question. Okay, so I will begin with the today's video, and the topic is justice. 16th April 1981, 16/4/1981. Justice. We are very thankful to God that He needs no proof for our action, right or wrong, and His justice is absolute. So here Vipsi and Rato is telling whatever we do here in this world, God doesn't need any proof from us because God knows everything. In your world, most of the justice, even by the highest judges, may always be correct, but God's justice is always right, as He knows you inside out. Yes. Here it is said that we have many courts here: Session Court, High Court, Supreme Court. There is quite possibility that in this court we get justice and the judgment is correct, but in his court the judgment is always correct and there is no question of injustice because he gives justice to each and every person. So this is said by Vipsi and Rato, because God knows us from inside out. From inside God knows how we are, from outside God knows how we are. God knows us from 360 degree dimension. This is being said here. If you try to hide something from your fellow man, it may stay hidden, but you cannot hide even a tiny bit from God Almighty, and His justice is always perfect. So it is said that if you want to hide something, some of our secrets with our friends, with our families, with anybody, we can hide it. But we cannot hide anything from God Almighty because He knows all our secret, all the history, geography of our life. So this is being said by Vipsi and Rato in this video. His justice is always perfect. If you believe this, you will never go wrong. You can be sure that this is absolute true, and whatever you do or say is always recorded. So lead a moral, sincere, and passionate life. So here it is said that if we say that we are not going to do anything in wrong in our life, so we should be with that. We should be firm with that because whatever is happening with us is all recorded and nothing is hidden, because whatever activities we are doing, whatever we are doing, it is all recorded in our subconscious mind. So this is being said in this part. Try to improve yourself. You may think that no man on the earth is perfect, so how could you be? Many a times we feel that in this world nobody is perfect, then how could we be? But the main thing is that we should try ourselves to improve day by day, and definitely will be a better soul one day. My dear readers, even we here on a higher plane or realm in the spirit world are not perfect, so how can you be? So this is being told for us, we for all the readers of this book of Laws of the Spirit World. We often say that even in spirit world everything is not correct, even here everything is not correct, then how can we be correct? So we keeps on complaining through all the situation which is happening in our life, but it is being said by Vipsi and Rato, we should not be complaining, right? We are trying so hard to become perfect by gaining the good and discarding the bad. Every soul goal should be self improvement so that you can reach God Almighty. So here it is said that whatever we do in our life, we keep on gaining the experiences, and our motive of the life should be self improvement. We should always think day by day, we should keep on improving. And before 6 months, how was I, and now how am I? After 6 months, how will be I? So in this way, we should keep on improving. So for the higher purpose, and we should have a higher purpose in our life. God Almighty, the perfect being, and it takes eons to reach Him. And it is said that we to reach Him, we need to do very much good works, and gradually, with a time, we will definitely reach to God Almighty. So in your life, try very hard to do good, speak good, and never harm your fellow man. So it is said that in our life we should do all the good things. We should always help others, keep on doing good things, and we should never ever think of harming our family, friends, relatives, or anybody whom we know. We should always help other. If anybody is in problem or anybody comes to us, we should definitely give them a good solution and help to them, apart from harming them. This is being said by Vipsi and Ratu via Khurshid Bhavnagari in this book. Never be unkind and try very hard not to be a hypocrite. It is said that we should never be hypocrite. We should always show to the people who is the real me. Often what we do is we try to show, yes, we are perfect, we are best. We always try to show us in the good colors. We should not do that. We should tell to the people whatever is real us, and we should tell people what we are in actual. No, we should not be a hypocrite. So this is being said. You can achieve this if you want to, but the genuine desire should be there. Still, we whatever we want in our life, we will get it in under each and every circumstances. But we should have a real and genuine desire of getting that thing and improving in the soul world. Now, sincere, you are on earth. You have more scope to try to improve yourself. Once you come to the spirit world, your progress is very slowly. This is a very interesting point. Vipsi and Rato is telling, in this earth, there we can improve very drastically. So if we want to improve and bring changes in ourselves, we can bring it very nicely. But when we come in the spirit world, our spiritual progression happens very slowly. So this is the world. We should try to do whatever we want in a very perfect manner so that we can upgrade ourselves spiritually very fast. So if you really want to improve yourself, do it now. Yes, now is the most important. So Vipsi and Rato is telling, if we want to improve ourselves, just do it now at this moment, and you will definitely improve one day, and definitely you will come to the God Almighty. So here, friends, comes to end of this topic, justice. So in the next topic, I will be covering spirit communication. Spirit communication. So as I said that this book is this long, and I cannot I cannot make all the topic in single video. So what I am doing is I am making videos in each and every topic part by part, so that you can also understand, and you also people don't feel bored, right? If I make all the book in one video, you will also feel bored, and you will not try to skip the video and not see it properly. So I'm making part by part, and I'm uploading it every day, one part. So every day you can see one part of the video, so that you will also enjoy, and you will also come to know about this book, The Laws of the Spirit World. And I always recommend you friends to read this book, because this book is really awesome. And this book is one of the best book, and here it is written national bestseller book. So many people have already purchased, and their life have been transformed by this book. So I always recommend you all to read this book. And once more, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. You can subscribe my channel, like, and hit the bell icon, so that you can get updates of my new video. As my new videos come, you will come to know about the video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. As I said, my Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So there I am a food blogger. So I keep on posting the videos and photos of the food of different dishes wherever I visit. And you can also connect with me on email ID. You can mail me at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. And if you have any doubts in regards to this book or any topic, you can comment in the comment section, because I read all the comments and I give answer to all the comments. Okay friends, bye.